Hey class, we are going to learn just 3 simple phonics strategies this year, which are just plans for knowing what words are, that will help us read words like this. But we're going to start out easy. We're going to start out with the easiest strategy. And so if you look at these 4 words, what do they have in common? Yeah, they all have one vowel in the word. You know what happens when a word just has one vowel? Usually it has a short vowel sound. And so then if we take a look at these 4 words, you've already watched the video on what the short sounds are, so you know what sounds they make. So you just put the letters in order. And so here's how cool this strategy works. So we look and see, where are the vowels in this word? And the vowels, of course, are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So we just see the letter A. It's the only vowel in the word. It's the only vowel in the word. And so then all we do is we know the A is going to be short. Short A is A. So we just put the letters in order. Map. And then we have this next word. How many vowels are in that word? Just one. Just the E. That means that E is going to have a short sound. What sound is short E? Yeah. So we put those letters in order. We put in the P sound. Pet. Then we look at the next word. How many vowels in that? Wow, looks like just the O. O is the only vowel in the word. That means it, like all the others, is going to have a short vowel sound. What's short O? Ah. So we put those letter sounds in order. Dot. How about this one? How many vowels in that one? You got it. Just one. One vowel is going to make that vowel be short. What sound is short E? Yeah. So we put those letters in order. Wet. But sometimes there are more letters in the word. Look at all the letters in this one. But how many vowels? Just one. This I is the only vowel. That means this I is going to be short. What sound is short I? Yeah. So we put in that TH sound. Thick. This one too. How many vowels in this word? Just the one. Just the I. One vowel. It's going to be short. So we put in the W sound, and then the I, and then the N, and then the D. Wind. This next one has a lot of letters, but it has only one vowel, just the U. So one vowel, the U is going to be short. What sound is short U? Ah. So it's brush. Then we look at the last one. How many vowels in that one? Yep, just one. It's the A. A is going to be short. What sounds short A? Yeah. So we put them together. Slam. And that is how easy it is. Slam. You just put those letters in order. And you know, because it has one vowel, most likely the vowel is going to be short. That's how this works. Now, the reason you want to get good at this strategy is when we start dividing words into syllables, it's like reading little single words. So you want to get good at putting those letters in order. That is our goal. Next step is to go to the Google form. And then if you look at this first question, in fact, at the top it says one vowel in the word makes a short sound. And then look at these words and tell what vowel sound they will have and why. So you're going to write on this line what it is that you see about that word, what pattern you see in that word. And so explain it. And so that's the next step. In this assignment, you saw the Google form that had this video on it, but then right beside it was a PDF of these words. And so this is the heart of the lesson. So what you're going to be doing is first of all, you'll listen to me talk a little bit about how to use this page, but then in the end, you will be practicing these words to get good at it. And as soon as you've gotten really good at reading the words, then read them to an older brother or sister or a parent, and then have them time you for 15 seconds. How many words can you read in 15 seconds? And you're going to record that on Google Form. And then the next day when you're back in school, then you'll get to read these to your teacher, and your teacher will probably time you for 15 seconds as well. And so as soon as you get really good at these 6 pages that are attached to this lesson, we will move you on to the next lesson. And so you'll get into words that get a little bit harder all along, but we'll have you stay with this lesson as long as you need. So go ahead and listen to the rest of my message in this video. You are going to practice that strategy and get so fast at using it. And so there are some helps on every page, like it has the short vowel sounds and the long vowel sounds. So if you forget what like short A has, you look up and see, oh, it's like in bat, eh, or short E like in bed, so it's eh, short I like in fish, so it's eh, short O like in top, so it's ah, and short U is like in duck, so it's ah. So if you forget those short vowel sounds, just look up at the top of the page to help memorize what they are. And over on this side are the 3 phonics strategies we're going to learn this year. And one of them that we're on right now is one vowel in the word is short. It has a short sound. And so what you are going to do now is read these words, not just once, but many times. And so your goal is to get like lickety-split fast on it. So here you're going to go put the letters in order. Map, club, frog, cast, dress. So see how we just put those letters in order? And because these words all have just one vowel in them, they're all going to have a short vowel sound. Pet, fell, thick, dig, ink. And so what you might want to do is just focus on one of these rows and practice it again and again and again. And our goal is that you go this fast: map, club, frog, cast, dress, pet, fell, thick, because you want to just be automatic at putting those letters in order. And then when you think you're really good at a page, you're going to have some adult or a big brother or sister time you. And so they're going to look to make sure you say the words right. But I think we'll time in like 15 seconds. And how many words can you read in 15 seconds? And so you want to do is get faster and faster and faster. And so you're going to record those words that you did in 15 seconds on your Google form that goes along with this. And that way we're going to have a beautiful record as your year goes on. Not only will you start doing harder and harder words, but your speed will go faster and faster and faster. So once again, your job now is to read these words as fast as you can, but make sure you look at the letters and put them in order. So this is going to be awesome. So you can start reading these